Yo, what's going on, my good people? So once again, if you're new to this channel, my name is Craig Bailey, real estate agent with EXP Realty, Forex trader, stock trader. And in today's video, for my military folks out there, we're going to talk about the VA home loan, okay? So first thing we got to do, though, is discover or understand what the VA home loan is. So the VA home loan is a specialty type mortgage that is backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. So the benefits that it gives out to its members is that there's no down payment, there's no PMI, private mortgage insurance, and it's usually offered with the best interest rates in the market, in the land, okay? So to qualify for a VA home loan, you must have been a military member, right? You must have served. It doesn't, Air Force, Army, Navy, Marines, Coast Guard, Reserves, National Guard, doesn't matter. You must have served, right? Or you must be the surviving spouse of a military member who died in duty, or you must be, on active duty status for my reservists out there like myself when I went through. So more on that. So my reservists out there, what you need to do is you need to have 90 consecutive days of Title 10, okay? So when you go on orders, you get put on Title 10 instead of Title 32. So you get put on Title 10, and you must have consecutive 90 days of active duty status, okay? So that doesn't count the weekend or anything like that. So if you get on active duty status for 3 months or longer, you qualify for the VA home loan. So one of the biggest advantages of the VA home loan, like I mentioned earlier, was the purchase of a home with no down payment. So this can make it a lot easier for all the veterans and service members to afford a home, especially if they don't have a lot of cash saved up and they're always PCSing or things like that, okay? Primarily, the VA home loan works if you're E3 or above, or pretty much you're allowed to live off base. You're granted off base housing. You don't want to use it when you're staying in the barracks. That just defeats the purpose. So also, VA loans don't have or don't require private mortgage insurance, which can also add, hundreds of dollars to your monthly payments and things like that. So the VA pretty much just makes it really affordable for you to be a homeowner, to grab a piece of the pie, So in addition to these benefits, though, VA home loans offer competitive interest rates, so they can help you save money over the life of your loan as well, and lower your monthly payments. And it's just, all in all, just more affordability to those who have served this country. So this is also to veterans as well. So if you served before and you retired, you still are eligible for a VA home loan. You just need your DD-214 stating your dates of enlistment and things like that. Officers as well. So it doesn't matter. All military members who have served have this great opportunity to qualify and use the VA home loan. So another point too is a lot of members, they ask me the question of, I use my VA home loan, I'm living in my house right now, and I've been told that's it. That's false. You can use your VA loan up to the amount of your county's approval monetary value. So for example, here in San Antonio, so if you have a VA home loan on one house and you want to buy another house with your VA home loan, you have to get it under the highest you can do is $742,000. $742,200. Sorry, so $742 and $200, right? For that, you get it under there. So let's say you buy your first home for $300,000, so you subtract $742,200 minus $300,000, so you're left with $442,000. So you can buy your second home under that amount. So that's home number 2. So basically, you can buy as many houses as you want. Granted, the intent is you have to live in those new homes. So you can't just buy. You have to, your intent must be to live in that second home, in that new home. And it has to qualify, it has to stay under your county's allowable VA home loan rate. So if you're a veteran active duty service member and you don't understand fully and you're interested in purchasing a home, consider applying for a VA home loan. If you need more information, go ahead and reach out to me. I am certified MRP, military relocation professional, and I can help you out and point you in the right direction, because this is fascinating stuff to learn, to know, and to move. And you can definitely get a piece of the pie and, purchase a home in the land that you serve. So once again, my name is Craig Bailey. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.